A fire at a poultry farm in North Manchester burned for nearly 7 hours throughout the night.
News Channel 15's Michael Kuhn was at High Grade Egg Production and Processors this morning. Joins us now live in the newsroom with the latest. Michael.
Hey, good morning, guys. About 24 departments responded to the fire on 1100 North near North Manchester last night. Now, the fire was initially reported in a poultry barn just south of 114 around 10:30 last night. The flames burned through the night as 22 departments tried to contain it. Fire officials say 5 structures, mostly large barns, were damaged. At least 4 of those buildings appear to be total losses. Fire crews finally got the fire under control around 5 this morning. Several trucks are still there to keep the fire from flaring back up. Fire officials say the wind and rural location contributed to the fire getting so bad, but the Chester Township Fire Department chief says they did the best they could to put it out.
A lot of people away from their families tonight, all night. A lot of us are going right back to work this morning, so it's a big thanks to all the volunteers that come out and dedicate their time here. It's something to be said, and a lot of people don't realize it. But I felt like we fought it best we could, and fortunately, that's just how it goes sometimes.
No one was hurt, but officials say an unknown number of chickens did die in the blaze. It's not clear if the rest of the plant will open up today, but it is still under investigation. Live in the newsroom, Michael Kuhn, News Channel 15.